Toyota's rain-sensing wipers represent advanced automotive technology that automatically detects moisture on your windshield. This feature comes standard on most Toyota models above the base trim level, including Camry XLE and above, RAV4 XLE and above, and Highlander Limited and above. The heart of this system is an optical sensor mounted behind the rearview mirror on your windshield. This small but sophisticated device continuously monitors the glass surface for water droplets. The sensor uses infrared LED and photodiode technology. An infrared LED emits light onto the windshield surface, while a photodiode measures how much light reflects back. When water droplets are present, they change how the light refracts, creating a detectable signal that the control unit processes. The key principle behind rain detection is light refraction. When sunlight or the sensor's infrared light hits water droplets, it bends and reflects differently than when hitting clear, dry glass. This change in light behavior is what the photodiode detects, triggering the wiper system. The system doesn't just detect the presence of water, it performs sophisticated analysis. Advanced algorithms examine droplet size, measuring whether you're experiencing light mist or heavy rain. The sensor also analyzes droplet density across the windshield surface and tracks movement patterns to determine optimal wiper speed. In Toyota's latest 2024 and 2025 models, rain-sensing wipers integrate seamlessly with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus systems. When rain is detected, the system automatically activates headlights for better visibility and adjusts traction control sensitivity to account for wet road conditions. The most advanced rain-sensing systems in Toyota's latest models feature multi-zone detection capabilities. Instead of monitoring just one area, these systems can detect rain intensity across different zones of the windshield, providing more precise and responsive wiper control. Toyota's rain-sensing wipers deliver impressive performance metrics. The system responds within 0.3 to zero point 0.5 seconds of detecting moisture, with over 98% accuracy in normal driving conditions. The sensors operate reliably in extreme temperatures from -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit and offer 6 to 8 adjustable sensitivity levels for personalized operation. This sophisticated technology transforms a simple wiper system into an intelligent weather response system, automatically adapting to changing conditions while you focus on driving safely. Now that you understand how rain-sensing wipers work, let's learn how to operate and optimize them for the best performance. To activate your Toyota's rain-sensing wipers, locate the wiper control stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. Turn the stalk to the Auto position, which is clearly marked with either the word Auto or a raindrop symbol. The sensitivity dial on your wiper stalk allows you to customize how quickly the wipers respond to rain. Most Toyota models offer between 4 to 8 sensitivity levels. Rotate the dial clockwise to increase sensitivity for light rain, or counterclockwise to decrease sensitivity for heavier downpours. Your Toyota also provides manual override options. Push the wiper stalk down for a single wipe to clear the windshield instantly. Push the stalk up to activate continuous manual wiping at low or high speeds, giving you complete control when needed. The rain sensor is located behind your rearview mirror on the windshield. This small optical device must stay clean to function properly. Clean the windshield area around the sensor every 6 months using a soft cloth and glass cleaner to maintain optimal performance. For optimal performance, start with medium sensitivity and adjust based on your driving conditions and personal preferences. In light spring rain, increase sensitivity. For heavy downpours, decrease sensitivity to prevent excessive wiping. Be aware that rain-sensing wipers have limitations. The system may not activate automatically in mist, fog, or snow conditions. In these situations, you'll need to use manual wiper operation to maintain clear visibility. Here's your quick reference guide for Toyota rain-sensing wipers. Turn to Auto, adjust sensitivity based on conditions, use manual override when needed, keep the sensor clean, and remember the system works best in moderate to heavy rain conditions.